Hi, in this video I'm going to show you through a website that you could use to make up to $300 online. Yep, and the amazing thing about this is that you don't need to leave the comfort of your home. All you have to do will be just to chat with people, chatting with lonely people, and get paid for this. Alright, so I'll be showing you through a website for this. The first two will be for absolutely free, but for the third one you would have to make a one-time payment, about $26 or so, if I'm not mistaken. So with no further ado, let's dive into the video. Hi guys, my name is Stanley Chima and I'm with Elamedia. Alright, so here is the first website we'll be covering, and this is rentacyberfriend.com. Okay, so this is basically for people that are lonely and looking for people to chat with. So if you're someone that feels like, that know you're very good with chatting with people and all that, this is actually meant for you to make some cash. So we sign up here by clicking on sign up, and here you will sign up as I am a cyber friend because you want to make money, not as a caller. That means you'll be paying. So here, click on sign up as a cyber friend. So here is a quick welcome. If you are the kind of person that is passionate about anything, looking for ways to make money on the side, so rent a cyber friend is for you. Receive video call from callers who wants to engage you. Oops, this matter, but okay, so that's it. Here I'll scroll down here to sign up. Here are the requirements, so let's quickly go through the requirements. Here is an opportunity for everyone. No degree, you must be above 18, you must have passion for it, and you must have a good smile and be friendly, obviously. So I scroll down and sign up. And just to cover this part, here are the two payment method, PayPal or bank transfer. So let me go here and sign up. Let me use my name here, Stanley Chima, email address, it's not correct. Okay, so I will just use a suggested password and then sign up. Believe they're gonna send me an email, so let me open my email ahead of time. So of course, so confirm your email address to fully activate your account. Check my email address. Okay, so the email has already arrived, so I'll click on it and activate. Here is the code that was sent. I'll submit it. Okay, so I've been able to sign up. Then I'm yet to complete my account. Like you have not yet completed all the requirements to being able to accept calls, so you can click here to arrange the rest of your account, uploading your picture and everything. So let me just follow the step and click here. So first thing to do here will be to upload my profile photo. I don't know if I have a profile photo where I'm smiling, but I'm just gonna pick one of my photos here. I doubt if I have anyone on my PC now currently. So I just look for a photo of me. I think that's just what I'll do. Oops, don't even think I have a photo of me. This one here, I am not smiling at all, but I'm just gonna use it and just for demonstration anyways. So I'll scroll down here. My name, I want to correct this, it's not X, it's C. In country, it will be Nigeria, although I'm currently in Benin Republic where I base. Where I'll just pick, let me pick my location. for this. So go ahead and choose yours. City, I'm actually in Cotonou City, Littoral. If there is something like that here, so about me, a quick about you. Man, just pick something. Oh, my typos are excess. How do you spell young again? How do you spell passionate? I'll just start with capital. Okay, guess that's I'll solve this. Yeah, just something very simple. But yeah, I'll just pick a random date. I'll pick a random date. Let's say 1990. I'm actually not up to that age, but I think that can go. So here your interest. So interest is actually important because this is where people find you, the type of person you are. Myself, I doubt if I fit into this type of a thing. I'd rather choose movie. Choose more interest. Technology, think that's okay. I'll add one more interest here. What else am I interested in? I think I'm interested in cooking. I'll choose friendship here too. So here is this tree. So here you can put your rates, how much you want to charge per minute. So let me just say 0.5 here, 0.2, 0.3 here, and 0.2 here. It's just me. You go ahead and do this. You can also add your tags and everything. So spoken language, I'll go with English. My English is better. That's my native language. I'll leave it as native. I'll also add French. That's non-native. I am kind of proficient. I think I speak basic French. Could understand basic communication. So, and that is it. I'll go ahead and submit this, and then we see. So here they validating my profile will take few seconds. Okay, so actually this profile is wrong. It's just my face only that is meant to show, but then again I've already done that. So you are set to go online and start chatting with potential callers. Okay, so you can go ahead and click here and start accepting calls. So your cyber profile is currently offline, which means you are unable to accept calls. So I want to put profile online now so that I can be able to accept calls. So please keep this page open. I'm trying hard to read this to see incoming calls. If you close the page, your profile will be set to offline after a short time. Okay, so this is what it's all about. So once you don't set in all this, you can now go ahead and wait for the people to contact you. Just make sure you try this and tell me in the comment section. So let's go over to the second site, and that will be textfactory.com. So this is become a chat operator today. Your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn an average of 300 USD weekly. Okay, so for this, all you need here, the basic job here is, okay, let me just read this out. You are to be answering casual messages on fantasy based text network and some sort. So just take your time to read this through and see if this is actually for you. And what I actually like about this one is the anonymous chat only, so no calling, no video. So unlike the other one, if you don't want to get involved to video calls or audio calls, just stick to this. You work anytime as much as you can, no qualification, and there is 24 hours supply and support for you 7 days a week. So let's go ahead and sign up here. So I'll put up my details here and agree to this. Yes, I'm at least 18 years old. So here, let me check my email. So I'll click on verify email. So here I try to sign up, and then it's saying thank you for signing up. Unfortunately, we are not looking for new people currently, but we'll keep you in file once you need contact in the future. So last time on my other account, last time as I tested this, I was able to sign up. At that point in time, they needed people. I think that was December, I think 2 months ago, and currently I guess they don't need people. So make sure to follow up. Just sign up, and should in case they need anybody, they will definitely call you up. All right, so with that, so let's go over to the third one. So here is the third one. That will be rent a local friend, okay.com. So these are the number of people and the number of cities available, and it's actually getting global to an extent. So here it's you just chat with people. But before we sign up, I just want to show you this, the city. You check here in this city. I want to look for a place like Nigeria or Abuja. I believe it's there. I've seen it before. So here inside the cities, I want to check for Nigeria somewhere down there, and I think I'm almost there. Okay, so here we have Abuja and we have Lagos. So let's go ahead and see people. I'll just open this one in another tab and then open this one here. So let's see people that are in Abuja. Okay, so we have one person here, Evelyn, that is charging $25 per hour, and here are the things she can do. She can do sport and outdoor, wellness and nature, music and nightlife, local shopping and gastronomy. So this is what she does. And then we have two people here. We have two people here for Lagos. Okay, so this person Trefina, and then Delano. So this charges 25, the other person 20, and these are the things they can do. So if you're in Nigeria, a lot of people have not yet entered this. It could be an opportunity for you. So let's go ahead and sign up now. Let me click on sign up. So you choose a name. You sign up as a friend. Okay, you sign up as a friend. So I'll choose my name here, Stan. I just put my name and my email. So I'll choose a password. I'd rather use this just to save time. I agree, then I create the account. Okay, so here I'll go ahead and choose my city. I'll choose Lagos. Then you have to upload a picture. Then again, I don't have any picture on my laptop at the moment, so I'll go. Let me just use Sydney's photo here, since it's just a tutorial. Or if Sydney Tucker's photo, I think that is it. So So country has to be Nigeria. Let me see if Benin Republic is actually here. So wait, let me just choose Benin so that my phone number can be there, and then put it up there. Let me put one of my numbers. So occupation, what do I write? Let me just write blogger. And bio, you can actually put up some certain things about yourself. Put up your hobby. Then let me see an occupation. This is not right. Correct this. So what are your hobbies? This is completely opposite me. Dancing. Out of all this, I believe it's just two, singing and walking, that are my possible hobbies. Okay, so that's it here. So I don't want to put up any social media stuff yet. I'll simply go to next. So what language do you speak? I speak French, English. Those are just the two. No other language here that I speak. The rest are not here. So what are your expertise? I'll just speak this, and continue. So local friend, show around your city, share your expertise, favorite local spots, suggestion. So let me say 26. So for virtual, let me say I'll put 15. It should be cheaper for virtual friendship. So here is it. Like I told you earlier, it requires a fee of $35, a one-time fee. You can go ahead, contribute, and then stay online and start getting rented by friends. So if you were to pay this, you can go ahead and use your card with Stripe and all the rest of them, but I recommend you just try out the first two and then see how it goes. You mustn't do the paid one, but if you feel like you have some extra cash to throw around and see how it goes, you're welcome